Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is our new Hoover Power Scrub Elite carpet cleaner. This is how it arrived in the mail, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing and put this thing together because we have dogs and we have young dogs and one had an accident. We have to take care of it. Let's open this up. Okay, everything came secured really nice. What you get is your solution clean water tank, and this one has the water on one side and the solution on the other, so they're separate. The machine mixes them. The only thing you really have to put together is the handle, and I think, yes, they do this. This is clever. Someone thought this through, and they actually have two screws taped to the handle. So we'll pull that off, and we'll put that on the handle. We'll do that right now. This slides into place. Maybe a little click, and then the two screws, one goes here and one goes here, and that'll take about 15 seconds. Let's talk real quick about what else comes with it. You've got your dirty water tank down here that you just undo the handle there, and this comes with a little bit of padding on top that is taped in place. Simply remove that and your dirty water tank is ready to be put back in. It comes with the hose and the accessory heads with a nice little hanger so you can hang it up in the closet. It looks like it's about a 5-foot hose, 6-foot hose. Comes with a cleaning head. And there's also a bristle head that you can probably snap in place of this rubber head, which is probably for pet hair. We'll put those back in there. And this particular one came with a little mat, this little red mat, and that's to keep your closet area nice. A little storage mat. A little tray. Oh, it says Hoover on it too. Besides that, quick start guide, which is kind of what I'm running you through, and then the actual user manual. This particular one came with a sample of Paws and Claws 2x carpet cleaning power cleaning solution. But we're ready to go. We'll put some water in here, snap it into place, and I'm going to clean in front of the fireplace where our puppy had an accident this morning. Overall impressions are favorable. It's a good machine for the price. This is the Power Scrub Elite Pet by Hoover. Under $200, should last you a good few years, and it does a great job of extracting dirt. It's relatively easy to clean and maintain, and has different selections, so if you just want a light clean or a deep clean, you can select that. That's a quick review. Thanks for watching.